Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atla Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about the panic on the altcoin market. Let's discuss it. Then the second thing, we having an important week this week, as tomorrow on the 13th of June, the new CPI data is coming out. So let's talk about the forecast. And also the FOMC meeting is on this week. The press conference will be on the 14th. Will there be an interest rate increase hike this time? Let's talk about that. And we have Hong Kong legislator invites Coinbase to the region. So we can see that if the United States doesn't like really this situation, then there are other countries, they're welcoming cryptocurrency exchanges. There's another cryptocurrency exchange, by the way, which is leaving the United States. So guys, all this in today's video. And don't forget, if you like this kind of content, what I'm creating, then first subscribe, because every day I'm making you fresh videos about crypto and blockchain to keep you up to date. And yeah, hit the like button if you like this kind of content. So let's do it. Okay, and for the start, as usual, let's have a look at the market. We can see that actually Bitcoin now is 0.3% up, but 3.5% down in 7 days. Ethereum slightly down 0.2%, but more than 6, almost 7% down in 7 days. When we're looking at here, the top gainers, Sui up 10%, Aptos up 6%, Cardano up 5%. When we're looking at the losers, Rocket Pool down 6%, Torchain down 5%, and PancakeSwap, it's down now 4%. But when we're looking at the weekly here, then look at this. And this is what happened on Sunday. Since that, Sandbox 36%, Decentralized 35%, Axie 33%, Chiliz 32%. Well, you name them. Here big ones: Solana 28%, Aptos 28% down. I don't know, ApeCoin, Polygon still 26% down, Gala 25% down, Filecoin major drop. We haven't seen something like this since the FTX collapse. And when we're looking at the candlestick chart and we're looking at Bitcoin's daily chart, we can see that not too much happened to Bitcoin. Look at this. I mean, like, seriously, not a major move at all. But when we're looking at, Bitcoin dominance, we can see that went up significantly, recently, because a lot of people from altcoins went all the way to Bitcoin. And when we're looking at, the liquidations, here on the 10th of June, on Saturday morning, I guess everybody had a great morning when you woke up around 5 a.m., around this Hungarian time where I am. There were a lot of liquidations, long liquidations, which is almost 350 million US dollar liquidation. And well, when we're looking at the fear and greed index, we had about around 50, in the previous couple of weeks, and now we're down 47. So not a significant drop in this. But anyway, let's now talk about today's main topic and the panic, about the panic on the altcoin market. So the main problem is definitely the SEC. SEC, they're going after many big altcoin projects, naming them securities. But probably one of the reasons why we dropped that significantly on Saturday morning was that Robinhood said that they simply end support for 3 tokens which were named in the SEC lawsuit. And these tokens are massive, because we're talking about Cardano, Polygon, and Solana. And, these went down, a lot. And really, because these are major altcoin projects, they started to push down other altcoin projects as well. So just think about it. Just everything happened 5 a.m. On Sunday. No, Saturday, sorry. Saturday, so 10th of June. And, there's nothing fundamentally wrong with this project. The thing is here, let me share the screen. The thing is here that Simple reason that there's a sell pressure. There was a sell pressure on, and which led to long liquidations, which led to more price drops. Then people started to panic. The whole altcoin market started to panic, and the tokens went down. Not just the ones which are related to this SEC lawsuit, but these three, Polygon, Cardano, Solana, were hit pretty hard. And Robinhood also added that these three tokens going to be sold on the 27th of June if you hold anything on Robinhood in these tokens. So, well, yes, this is definitely was a huge hit. And another thing, what they're saying here, going back to Robinhood, the Robinhood holds in altcoins $1.3 billion, and this doesn't include Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin obviously not, but Ethereum and Doge, and also not include USDC and something like this. However, just these three tokens, Solana, Cardano, and Matic, out of these, $1.3 billion, Solana was 13%, ADA 19%, and Matic 12%. So altogether, we're talking about more than $500 million, $583 million. And when a lot of these tokens go on the market, straight away, definitely huge sell pressure for the whole altcoin market. So for me, in my understanding, is that nothing happened to the project. That's very, very important. Yes, the SEC is after the altcoins, but there is live outside the United States. This is very important to mention. Second, now there was a sell pressure. Can more sell come in the future? Well, for example, other, maybe exchanges will delist these tokens. Yes, it can happen. Robinhood is a bit special because it's not just crypto. It's different than Coinbase and Binance. Coinbase actually emphasized that they will not delist the tokens which are in this SEC lawsuit. So they simply just don't care. They say when, there will be the win on the side of the SEC in the future. That's another thing. But until that, they're not doing anything like that. So then this at least not continuing. Now it looks like on Coinbase and maybe not even on the Binance. But yes, this was really an altcoin bloodbath. When I woke up in the morning, I was like, what the heck is going on? And I was really just searching until the whole picture really got together. And now it's totally up to you what you do, but many people started to DCA in some of these projects because they believe the projects are good fundamentally. There could be, good news coming, soon from the XRP case. And that's a bit different because, back then the XRP was that the SEC sued the XRP, and that was the one which was sued. Now there are tons of projects, and they can come together, build the support and all these kind of things. So SEC is not in an easy situation. Now we're not talking about just one like XRP, which is just really kind of handpicked. No, we're talking about a lot of major tokens, pretty big one by market cap. So yeah, don't forget what we have survived. We have survived the Celsius, Voyager, Tree Capital, you name them, Terra Luna situation, FTX collapse, Silvergate and other banks collapsing. We're going to survive this as well. Crypto is global. Bitcoin is not hit by this, but will they come after somehow Bitcoin maybe in the future? Who knows? Maybe. But can they do something? Well, this is a good point. We were going to see it. But yes, probably not. So anyway, this is what happened during the weekend. This is right now in the market, and maybe in a couple of weeks you won't even remember this in a way that maybe alt started just simply go back. And everything will be okay because the sell pressure from Robinhood, for example, it's over, and others just started to accumulate. on the good price. So yeah, we're going to see it. But there are other things which can move the market this week. And we have, for example, the CPI data and the FOMC meeting. So the CPI data for May, it's coming out tomorrow on the 13th of June. And, the previous one was 4.9%. And now they're saying the inflation can go down all the way to 4.1. That's a significant drop, to be honest with you. This is what the forecast is saying. This is very, very important. If that happens and we're going in this direction, this could be actually good for the market. Another important thing is the FOMC meeting, that maybe for a long time, they will not increase the interest rate. This is what they actually, the majority believes, 80%, 20% saying about that there will be a 25 basis point increase. But right now, pretty close, 2 days away from the press conference, they believe that there will not be an interest rate increase, which could be also, positive for the market. And also, so we're talking about, obviously talking about the stock market, but, it can have an impact on crypto with this drop, what we have witnessed, and maybe good news. Maybe there could be a boost, but we're going to see it. So in the next couple of days, we're going to see the results of these. Okay, and the third topic I wanted to talk about, that Hong Kong invites Coinbase to their region. So we can see that many other countries want, US-based cryptocurrency exchanges. Simply, they don't care about the SEC lawsuit. So let's talk about that. Okay, so here we have Hong Kong legislator invites Coinbase to the region despite this SEC case. So Hong Kong fosters the favorable environment for the industry growth with its proactive regulation and dedication to become digital hubs. This is their goal. And in January, if you remember this year, Hong Kong Financial Secretary Paul Chan declared the government's dedication to establishing a strong ecosystem for crypto and fintech. And this is actually very important, the way they're actually going. OKX and Huobi were among the first crypto exchanges to apply for virtual asset service provider license in the region. And now they invited basically Coinbase to join us, come on board. They don't care about the SEC. So we can see that there are a lot of opportunities. And talking about exchanges, we have Crypto.com close U.S. institutional service because of this SEC crackdown. And, they're going to close it for American institutional clients on the 21st of June. It doesn't go, this doesn't go for retail. Okay, it's very important, but it's a clear sign that many crypto-related companies are going in this direction. They just don't want to deal with this SEC situation over there, which is totally understandable. And but this cannot go on forever either. So probably somehow there will be a solution in the United States. Anyway, now they're pushing down the market with all these kind of news. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every day I'm bringing you the freshest cryptocurrency blockchain news. So if you'd like to keep yourself up to date, simply subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom. If you like this kind of content, hit the like button. Highly appreciated. And I see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.